In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ schema in Rank Math. FAQ schema helps search engines understand your content and can earn rich results in Google, like expandable questions and answers right on the results page. That extra visibility can boost clicks and improve the overall user experience. To get started, head over to rankmath.com to make sure you're familiar with the plugin and that it's active on your site. We'll be working inside your post editor with Rank Math's built-in schema tools. Open your site's posts area and choose the article where you want the FAQ-rich result to appear. Click Edit to open the post in your editor. In the editor interface, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional panel options for the editor. From that menu, select Rank Math to reveal the Rank Math sidebar. This is where SEO settings live for the specific post you're editing. In that sidebar, click Schema. The schema panel lets you review schema applied to the post and add new types as needed. Next, click Schema Generator. This is Rank Math's library of structured data templates. You'll see options for things like article, product, and more. Choose FAQ and then click Use. This loads the FAQ schema template, which is specifically designed for question and answer content. At the top, type a name for your FAQ schema. This is just a label to keep things clear and organized, especially helpful if you plan to use multiple schema types on the same post. If you see a shortcode field, this is used to map existing on-page FAQ content, such as an FAQ block or a shortcode-driven FAQ section, to the schema. If you already have an FAQ section in your content, paste the relevant shortcode here so Rank Math can connect the schema to what's visible on the page. If you don't use a shortcode-based FAQ, you can leave it blank and rely on the question and answer entries within the schema panel. You can also add a property group. In the context of an FAQ, this is how you add additional question and answer pairs or optional properties supported by the FAQ schema. Use this to mirror the exact questions and answers that appear on your page. Keep your answers concise, accurate, and directly related to each question. When everything looks good, click Save for this post. Finally, update or publish your post so the changes go live. For best results, keep the on-page FAQ content consistent with what you've entered in the schema. After publishing, consider validating your page with a rich results testing tool to confirm your FAQ schema is recognized.